If you'll look on page 550 in your grammar, we see adverbial participles showing contemporaneous time. That is, these are present tense adverbial participles. Look at the first example. Tauta apen in synagoge, didaskon in Capharnaum. He said these things in the synagogue while teaching in Capernaum. Now here's your participle, didaskon. Notice that it is a present tense adverbial participle. And what this present tense participle is doing is that it's telling us that the action conveyed in this participle is happening at the same time or contemporaneous to the action expressed in this verb which it is modifying. He said these things while teaching. And you hear how I can use the English word while in my translation. I could use the word as or during or even when. Let's take a look at aorist tense adverbial participles. And if you'll look on page 553 of your grammar, you will see plenty of examples of aorist tense adverbial participles which can show antecedent time, or in other words, time that takes place before the action of the verb that they're modifying. I'd like for us to turn the page and look at the fourth example. And you see your participle, whom nasantes, kai whom nasantes, ex elthon, eis to oros ton elaion. Let's parse this participle, whom nasantes. You see your sigma alpha followed by the active participle indicator. And notice there's no definite article in front of this participle. This is an aorist adverbial participle, and it shows us action which is occurring before the action of this finite verb which it is modifying. Ex elthon means they went out. It's from the verb ex erkomai. So what did they do before they went out to the Mount of Olives? They umnesantes. They sang a hymn, or after, and you see the English translation here, after singing a hymn, they went out to the Mount of Olives.